There are several connection options with the Walnut. First of all, of course, the preferred is with the i360, where you can bring in interactivity. This can be wired or wirelessly. In my case here, I've connected my laptop with an USB-C cable to the i360. Big advantage here, of course, that next to image, sound, also my laptop is charged. And of course, you have the touch capabilities. You can also go for connecting your laptop directly to the Walnut. You can do that by connecting via HDMI input. There are several inputs that you can choose from. In case you want to go for the wireless option, you can use our USB-C dongle, our i3 AllSync touch USB-C dongle. So that means you have also the wireless touch functionality. Just connect it to your laptop and push the button once it gets green. No installation required. If you're afraid that the dongle will get lost, you can also use the AllSync application in that case. If you want to use the AllSync application or the dongle, you can connect with up to 6 devices simultaneously. And it's compatible with Miracast, AirPlay, and Google Cast, so that means any operating system is compatible.